This is a truly classic and world-famous Chinese dish. Hi, today we're making Kung Pao chicken. It's said that Kung Pao chicken was created and refined over 100 years ago by Bao Zhending, the governor of Sichuan, China. But the authentic Chinese version is still a bit different from the popular Western version. So let's start with the most traditional authentic Kung Pao chicken, then I'll dive into the westernized version. For the meat, we use chicken thighs. They're more tender and flavorful. Cut the chicken into thumb-sized cubes. Then add light soy sauce, cooking wine, white pepper, and a bit of salt. Mix and massage well so the seasoning absorbs evenly. Also add a spoon of cornstarch. This keeps meat tender. Finally, a little oil to prevent sticking. Let it marinate for 20 minutes. Kung Pao chicken must have Sichuan peppercorn and chili, so cut some dried chilies into sections. This helps release their aroma and heat. For peppercorns, the best kind is from Hanyuan, Sichuan. They bring both fragrance and signature numbing sensation. This dish also features a uniquely sweet tangy flavor, which comes from a special sauce. The ingredients are simple, but the ratio matters. Especially the ratio of sugar vinegar is 1 to 1.5, which creates the famous lychee-style sweet-sour taste. Now heat some oil in a Chinese wok. Fry some peanuts first. Stir gently until they turn slightly golden. Then remove them and set aside. Next, add the peppercorns and chilies. Stir-fry to release their heat and aroma. When chilies turn into a deep red, take them out and put aside. Time for the chicken. Stir and toss the cubes quickly. When the chicken turns golden brown, add a slice of scallion, ginger, and garlic. Also put the chilies and the peppercorns back in. Mix everything together so the flavors fully combine. Give the sauce another stir, then pour it into the wok. Add the fried peanuts back in as well. Since the sauce contains cornstarch, it thickens immediately and coats the chicken beautifully. Each piece becomes glossy, juicy, and irresistible. Just stir about 1 minute, then it's ready to serve. The chicken is tender and juicy, sweet, tangy, and savory, with a perfectly balanced hint of spice and numbing heat. This is the most traditional, authentic Kung Pao chicken. Now let's talk about some changes made to suit Western tastes. First, chicken thighs were replaced by chicken breast, since many people there prefer breast meat. Second, the spice and the numbing levels were reduced, so it wouldn't be too intense for some diners. Lastly, more vegetables were added, like cucumber, zucchini, or bell peppers, to make the dish more colorful and healthier. But no matter which version it is, Kung Pao chicken is loved by people all over the world. Sweet with a hint of sour, savory with mild spices, and perfectly harmonized flavors. It's always a bliss to enjoy it with family and friends. Please give a thumbs up if you liked it. I'm Ken Man. See you next time.